Hey, I'm Ron from Kolleno. In a previous video I showed you how to close an accounting period, but what if you want to reopen an accounting period? I will go here in Setup, Accounting, Manage Accounting Periods. So the one I closed in my previous video was here, financial year 2010, and that's the one I closed, so I will go back into this icon. And if you watch the other video, you will recognize that screen. So you can see I went to the bottom of the list and this one is closed. So I will go on it and then you see you can write a justification, like for example, like closed for the demo only. So that's why I want to reopen it. And then I click reopen period. Are you sure that you want? It will have impacts later on subsequent periods. And so, make sure you do it correctly if you do it. Click OK, and that's it, it's reopened. And like after that you can start changing also these ones. For example, if I go in the previous list, you can mark task as in progress, which is where you had the button mark task completed, and go up the list and reopen everything. That's it, bye bye.